Rewarded Play offers may fail to load when the app cannot properly connect to the offer system, the app data is outdated, or there is a problem with your device connection. By the end, you'll know the main fixes for a Rewarded Play offer wall that is not loading, and the steps to check before contacting support. Start by checking your internet connection. The offer wall needs a working connection to display available offers, so switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue changes. Next, fully close the Rewarded Play app and reopen it. A temporary app error can prevent content from refreshing correctly. If the offer wall still does not load, check whether the app has an update available. Older app versions can sometimes have problems displaying current content, so updating through your device's app store is a simple step to try. The next area to check is your phone settings. Make sure Rewarded Play has the permissions it needs to operate correctly. If certain permissions are disabled, the app may not work as expected. You should also restart your phone. A device restart clears temporary system issues that can affect how apps load. If you are using a VPN, ad blocker, or network filtering tool, disable it temporarily and test the app again. These tools can sometimes interfere with connections between an app and its online services. Another fix is clearing temporary app data. On Android devices, you can check the Rewarded Play app settings and clear cache data if that option is available. This removes temporary files without necessarily removing your account. If none of these steps work, check whether other parts of the app are working normally. If only the offer wall is affected, the issue may be related to the offer service rather than your phone. Before contacting support, collect useful details. Note your device type, operating system version, the steps you already tried, and what happens when you open the offer wall. Avoid repeatedly reinstalling the app without checking your account access first. Make sure you know your login details before removing any application. To summarize, fix a Rewarded Play offer wall problem by checking your connection, updating the app, reviewing device settings, and testing without tools that may block connections. Your next step is to restart your phone, open Rewarded Play again, and check whether the offer wall loads normally. If this guide helped you fix Rewarded Play issues, like the video and subscribe for more earning app guides.